Hello guys and welcome back dito sa ating channel. Ngayong araw pag-uusapan natin yung 3 best REIT na kailangan natin i-watch during market volatility. Ngayon disclaimer lamang bago tayo magsimula. Itong mga mababanggit natin ng mga kumpanya ay hindi to recommendation na bilhin nyo, bagkus do your own research. Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa pag-invest dito sa ating merkado. And naniniwala akong malaya tayong magpahayag ng ating mga saloobin, opinyon, kuro-kuro, or ang ating pagsasaliksik sa mga kumpanya dito sa ating bansa. Bago natin talakayan yung 3 kumpanya, pag-usapan muna natin yung importansya ng real estate investment trust. So as you may know, REIT are type of investments that allow you to own shares in a real estate portfolio without the need to physical own or manage any properties. Yan ang kagandahan ng REIT investing. Now, isa pa sa kagandahan sa pag-i-invest sa REIT ay nagbibigay ito ng steady source of income sa mga investor ng kumpanya because of their dividend payments. And also, we can participate in a growing real estate industry dito sa ating bansa. However, not all REITs are created equal. Kaya napaka-importante na makahanap tayo ng mga best REITs dito sa ating bansa. So yung plot nitong video natin, una, i-discuss ko muna yung 3 REIT company kung bakit ko sila nagustuhan. I-compare din natin itong 3 company ito para magkaroon tayo ng idea sa kanilang mga performance. Now, kung ready ka na, stay ka lang. I'll show you how. At dahil matagal-tagal na rin tayo hindi nakapili ng mga mananalo ng ating portfolio tracker, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, pipili ulit tayo ng mga mananalo, isa sa bawat video dito, until to this video. So bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung pwedeng gawin ng ating portfolio tracker na ipapamahagi, panoorin nyo itong video na to or itong video na to. Kasi tinalaki ko dito kung ano yung mga latest update sa ating portfolio tracker. And malaking tulong ito na tinatrack ang ating portfolio growth over time. So sa mga nanalo, congratulations sa inyo. Nasa description ng video na to ang aking email address and message nyo lang ako na nanalo kayo and bibigay ko ito sa inyo na aking portfolio tracker. And again, once again, congratulations sa inyo. Now, ang unang company na titignan natin during market volatility ay ang REIT Inc. REIT Inc. is the first Philippine REIT to be publicly listed on the Philippine Stock Exchange. The company's portfolio consists of high-quality office buildings, providing a stable income stream for investors. One key factor kung bakit nagustuhan ko tong REIT Inc. because of their high occupancy rate na umaabot ng 97%. Now, nangangulugan ito ng strong demand of their properties and a stable income stream for investors. Additionally, ang REIT Inc. has a strong management team with extensive experience in real estate industry. Ang company ito ay nagfo-focus on value-adding initiatives such as property upgrades and leasing efforts, which can lead to higher rental income and property value over time. And also, REIT Inc. offers investors a competitive dividend yield with a projected dividend yield of around 7.1% in 2024. This makes an attractive option for income-seeking investors who are looking for stable and consistent returns over time. Another factor that sets REIT Inc. apart, the company has implemented various sustainable initiatives in its properties, such as installation of solar panels and implementation of green building practices. This not only help to reduce the company carbon footprints, but also appeal to investors who prioritize social responsibility investment. Overall, REIT Inc. is a strong investment option for those looking to diversify their portfolio to invest in Philippine real estate market. However, as with any investment, it is important to conduct thorough research before invest in any kind of investment. Now, ang pangalawang REIT na titignan ko during market volatility ay ang RL Commercial REIT or RCR. Itong kumpanya ay nag-IPO noong May 2021. The company focuses on owning and operating a portfolio of commercial properties including office buildings and retail spaces. With a total gross leasable area of over 430,000 square meter, now RCR portfolio include high-quality property located in key businesses district in Metro Manila such as Makati, Taguig, and Pasig. The company's tenants include well-known local and international companies, providing a stable income stream for investor. RCR can provide investor with exposure to growing commercial real estate industries dito sa ating bansa. And also, one key factor that make RCR an attractive investment option is a high quality occupancy rate also. The company's properties have an average occupancy rate of over 95%, which indicate a strong demand for its properties and stable income stream for investors. And like a REIT Inc., ang RCR ay meron ding strong management team pagdating sa real estate industry. And another factor kung bakit gusto ko itong RCR also offers investor a high dividend yield with a projected yield of around 7.6% in 2024. This makes an attractive option for income-seeking investor who are looking for stable, consistent returns also over time. Now, yung pangatlong kumpanya na titignan ko during market volatility ay ang Citicorp Energy REIT. Now, itong kumpanya ay isang unique player in the Philippine real estate investment trust market. Bakit? As it focuses on owning and operating a portfolio of renewable energy assets such as solar power plants and wind farms. This makes an attractive investment option for those looking to invest in the rapidly growing renewable energy sector. Now, CREIT portfolio includes a number of high-quality renewable energy projects located across the Philippines. With a total capacity of over 200 megawatts, the company's tenants include a diverse range of clients including commercial and industrial companies and government agencies, providing a stable income stream for investors. Now, investing in CREIT can also provide investor with the exposure to growing renewable energy sectors in the Philippines, which is expected to benefit from the country's strong economic growth and increasing demand for clean energy. Now, overall, CREIT is a unique and promising investment opportunity for those looking to diversify their portfolio and invest in rapid growing renewable energy sector in the Philippines. And however, katulad ng sinasabi ko, bago ka mag-invest sa isang kumpanya, do your own research para magkaroon ka ng matibay na pundasyon at matibay na konklusyon sa pag-invest dito sa ating merkado. Now, let's compare yung market information and market financials ng tatlong kumpanyang ito. Ang market cap ng REIT ngayon ay nasa 80.53 billion pesos, na merong revenue na nasa 4.75 billion pesos at net income na nasa 3 billion pesos. Samantalang ang RCR ay nasa 60 billion pesos, ang kanilang revenue ay nasa 4.67 billion pesos at ang kanilang net income ay nasa 3.67 billion pesos. Ang CREIT naman, ang kanyang market cap ay nasa 15.77 billion pesos na merong revenue na 1.16 billion pesos at net income na nasa 1 billion pesos. Now, kung i-compare naman natin yung share price performance ng tatlong ito, so yung CREIT pa lang yung nagbabounce yung share price, samantalang ang RCR and REIT ay continuous na bumubulusok pababa kanilang share price. And sa loob ng isang taon, ang mayroong pinakamalaking pagbagsak ay ang REIT na nasa 26.55%. Ang mas volatile naman sa tatlo ay ang REIT. Na pagdating sa future growth nitong tatlo, ang forecast annual earnings growth ng CREIT ay nasa 36.3%, forecast ng RCR ay nasa 2.5%, at ang forecasted ng REIT ay nasa 13.1%. And mapapasin natin dito yung tatlong iyan, talaga nasa positive side yung kanilang projection ng revenue at net income based sa mga analyst na nag-review dito. Now, let's focus sa past performance ng mga kumpanyang ito. Ang REIT lang yung mayroong negative history ng free cash flow. Pero so far, lahat naman iyan ay nasa good side pa rin naman, di ba? Na pagdating sa return on equity, mayroong pinakamataas ay ang CREIT na nasa 23.6%. Likewise, sa return on assets, ang CREIT pa rin yung nangunguna na nasa 21.4%. And also, sa return on capital employed na nasa 21.5% ang nakuha ng CREIT. Ngayon naman nag-focus tayo sa financial performance ng tatlong kumpanyang ito. So dito pinapakita lang sa atin na nasa healthy position yung kanilang status ngayon. And yung debt to equity, pinapakita din also sa atin dito na ang kagandahan na kayang i-manage ng REIT na to yung kanilang utang na kinikater dito. And this is the balance sheet snapshot ng tatlong company ito. Talagang nasa healthy situation ang kanilang financial health. Now let's focus sa dividend. Na kung titignan natin dito, ang dividend yield ng CREIT ngayon ay nasa 7.3% and RCR na nasa 7%, A-REIT nasa 6.1%. Na merong payout ratio na nasa 61% and RCR payout ratio 73%, payout ratio ng C-REIT ay nasa 81%. Na pagdating sa dividend yield versus the market, pinapakita lamang sa atin dito na na-outperform ng tatlong ito yung ating merkado. Pagdating naman sa mayroong pinakamagandang dividend performance ngayon, para sa akin, mas maganda ang dividend performance ng RCR. Bakit? Titignan natin dito yung payout ratio ng earnings ay nasa 73% at ang payout ratio ng free cash flow nila ay nasa 88%. Samantalang ang dalawa ay nasa 116 and 114%. The management information ng tatlong kumpanyang ito. Na pagdating sa ownership, ang mga insiders sa C-REIT ay continuous na nagbabuy dito. Ang pinaka-latest na transaction dito ay noong October 27 pa, 2022 na si Sir Oliver Tan. And dito naman sa A-REIT, yung pinaka-latest ay ngayon lang, no? March 13, 2023. But in terms of insiders, talagang pinapakita dito sa atin, all of insiders na transaction dito ay puro bumibili sa C-REIT. And may pangilan-ngilan dito sa A-REIT na nagbebenta na kanilang shares. Now, in terms of ownership breakdown, okay naman yung kanilang institutions ownership na nasa 2%. And this is the top shareholders ng C-REIT. And this is the top shareholders naman ng RCR. And this is the top shareholders ng A-REIT. Now, pagdating naman sa valuation, ang nakuha kong fair value sa A-REIT ay nasa 44.79. May ratings na hold. Pagdating sa RCR, ang nakuha ko ay nasa 5.97. May rating also na hold. And C-REIT na nasa 3.25 pesos per share, may ratings na hold also. And kapag nagkaroon ng market downturn and volatile ang ating merkado and bumagsak sa margin of safety price ko ang mga company ito, I will definitely buy these two companies and also I will definitely buy this C-REIT again. And this is my insights of my 3 best real estate investment trust ngayon dito sa ating bansa. So ngayon guys, ano sa tingin nyo, nararapat bang ilagay sa top 3 itong mga nabanggit natin? Please comment down below and para magkaroon pa tayo ng iba't ibang insights sa mga REIT company dito sa ating bansa. And once again guys, this is Pressy Warrior, papaalala lang, invest wisely and see you on the other side.